free, unrivaled and original style has always marked the work of Roberto Capucci. A quick glance at his dresses is enough to never mix his style up with anyone else, but to call it just fashion would not be doing him justice.
Colors, fabrics, details, an incredible talent and an increasing devotion to work. Capucci's work is not a trade, it's his own life. These are not just clothes, they are volumes. This is not ready to wear, but an elegance that is exhibited in the most important museums in the world. Anti-conformism, eccentricity, and tireless trials set Capucci's work apart from any period and any fashion. The opening exhibit at the museum at Villa Bardini is dedicated to Florence, where his career began. The clothes change throughout the year.
Museo Capucci at Villa Bardini, Chiara Valentini, C10.